hello to all my friends out there. So I want to encourage you guys to try to earn a little extra money. So I went to the thrift store and I bought 3 items. The ties were $3. The card game was $1. So my idea is just to try and make $10 each item. Okay, this tie is a really nice tie, but it has a stain. I think I can get it out with a dry cleaning bag. You know, they give you a spray on stain remover, so I'll try. And then this is a 100% silk Disney character tie. And so I will list these for $12.98. And then this is a game, a child's game. So what I will do is I will list that for $9.98. So I'm pretty sure the way to go is these low dollar items. If something happens, you can just return the money and you don't lose anything. So, okay, that is the latest on the eBay. God bless you all.